up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. My name is Steve. If you're new here, welcome. Currently driving my 1999 Integra. It's getting a little foggy in here, so I'm going to do this as quickly as I can without causing an accident so that I don't have to have the fan on. Right now, I'm looking for a place to fly my drone. This is not it. It's not going to work. I don't really know my way around this side of town, so I'm just kind of going to wing it here. Anyway, just washed the car, and we're going to go over basically, woo! This road is hella messed up. Look at that. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay. Woo, we made it. So basically, we're just gonna find a spot. I want to pop my drone in the air, get a couple shots, and then basically just go over. I just want to go over basically the plans for the car. So I'm gonna be, I've bought a bunch of stuff for it, and I'm also gonna be, I've planned out exactly where I want to go next with the car. So I've like planned out pretty much what I want to do with the car for the, I mean, it's like a $6,000 build at this point, but it's pretty involved. It's a complete makeover for this car, which is just fantastic. So I want to go over all the parts with you guys. Want to go over all the parts with you guys when I get somewhere safe. So we'll just find somewhere to park up. Shift cam right there. This road's nice. It scared me. I thought that was a cop. Not a cop. Also foggy. No, don't do that. I'm here at my kid's school, so we're going to go over a couple things that are on my list. I really do have a list. This is almost everything that I need. The only thing that's not on this list are seat belts. Mine are tattered and torn and disgusting, and they need to be replaced. So, yeah, this list is pretty much in order, but not like completely in order. Nothing's set in stone, of course. So I need to fix my steering wheel bolt. As you can see right there, that's really simple. Some of these things are dumb, some are not, but the goal is to have a really nice car at the end of this. Oil pan studs, because I have a couple bolts that are broken off. Need to get some floor mats. I need to get a new steering wheel hub adapter because this one's too long. This one's gigantic and ugly. So I'm gonna get the short hub adapter. Drilled slotted rotors and pads. Gonna get a seat bracket and a new seat for the driver's seat here, probably not the passenger seat. I need a new driver's side door card. This one's all messed up. Those are kind of expensive, so if you guys have one of those that you're looking to get rid of, let me know. 5% window tint all around. New headlight housings. New blower motor, because this one, like, you gotta kick it to turn on sometimes when it's cold. It just sucks. Wheels, I do have wheels picked out. I'm not going to tell you exactly what wheels I have, but they're exactly what I want, and I'll be buying those in the next month. I'll say within a month. I'm going to get to this part of the list by the month, and next month. So that's like a lot of stuff to spend, a lot of money to spend. So I'm going to get a new steering wheel. I kind of want an NRG one to match the quick release hub, and I do like the Galaxy wheels that they have, so I'm going to look into those, but I'm not set on that. Kind of want to go with like a retro classic wheel. I think that'd be cool. The coilovers, I don't think I want the most plus ones. I don't know why I wrote that. I do want coilovers, but I'm gonna get some decent ones because I do intend on tracking the car. I want the Yonaka exhaust. I feel like that's a decent compromise with cheapness and sound. Skunk 2 lower control arms, P28 ECU. Want a Type R spoiler, hood, and fenders all in carbon fiber. Not carbon Kevlar, regular carbon fiber. And I'm probably gonna get it painted. Not like fully painted over, but just like tinted, you know what I mean? Like just like a couple layers of paint, I guess, or one layer of paint, or however you get it to look like that. I don't really know, but it is going to be professionally done. I don't want to do the paint on this. I want to rebuild it and do a turbo kit, gauge cluster pod, AEM wideband, and oil pressure gauge. I want to fix the bag rear hatch latch mechanism. Third brake light needs to be replaced, and I want to get carbon fiber rear spats. Yeah, so that's, I don't know about the spats yet, but the paint also going to be a surprise. I have a color picked out, and it's going to be awesome. It's going to be beautiful. Along the same time as all this is going on, I'm going to be paying somebody to put a new engine in my Blazer, and that's going to be my daily. So I'm gonna kind of make this thing nice, restore it to the way that it needs to be, and then put it away for a little bit and just kind of enjoy it. You know, I do enjoy it as a daily. I just I like this car a lot, and I just kind of want to make it nice. It deserves to be nice. It has the potential to be nice. So if you've come this far, I do appreciate you. If you like what I've got going on and you want to see some more, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Make sure notifications are turned on when you do it, and drop me a comment in the comment section below and let me know that you're subscribed, and let me know what you thought about the episode and my plans. And if you have any suggestions for what I should do to my car, the only things that I'm set on right now are the wheels and the paint. And yeah, that's it. So like, if you guys have a good suggestion for a big boy seat, you know, I'm like 250, so I'm gonna be losing a little bit more weight, but I need a seat that can accommodate my size. So hell yeah, thank you for watching, everybody. Like, comment, and subscribe as usual. Yeah, I'll see you next time. Peace out, Cub Scouts.